Afternoon to all, respected DO Madam Usharani Garu and the organizers of the seminar and the student participant. Theme of the seminar, Scientific Academic Institution of India. My personal details, I am N. Mahesh from second year BPC, Venached Village, Gandid Mandal, Mahabubnagar district. And I wish you all happy 49th Jawaharlal Nehru National Day. Title of the topic, Scientific Research Performed in India. Introduction. Tata dream of establishing of Indian Institution of Science became a reality with the support of Mysuru state, who ruled by the Krishna Raja provided 371 acres and 16 guntas of land in Bangalore and worked on the Tata's ambitious project. After the death of the Tata in 1907, IISC finally came into the existence on 27th May 1909 in Bangalore city, and a resolution was passed by the government of India to establish the institution. In a short span of 100 years, these institutions were meant to treasure and display the achievements collectively for providing necessary guidance and inspiration of younger generation. Besides these, there are several other institutions, namely Indian Academy of Science, IISCR, Indian Institution of Science, Education and Research. There are 7 across the country: West Bengal, Maharashtra, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. And our own CCMB, NIN, National Institution of Nutrition, IICT, Indian Institution of Chemical Technology, CDFD, Center of DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostic. Objectives: imparting higher education in an environment of fundamental and applied research in science, generating new knowledge, and this knowledge comes through publication through journals and conferences, applying faculty experts towards in success of nation, science and technology in India, providing excellence in research and promoting of innovations by offering world good class education for training future leaders in science and technology, for uplifting the Indian wealth and creation and social welfare. Students get well balanced and well rounded learning experiences. Presentation. In an ever-changing world, science is the key for an economical building the country. India has constantly contributing the ways of science and technology revolution. The vision of Science Academic Institution of India is to encompass creation and research center of highest caliber in which teaching and education is the basic science. These Indian institutions are devoted to undergraduate and post-graduation teaching in science and good atmosphere to research and make education and career in basic science most attractive by providing opportunities to create integrated master programs in science in order to provide entry in the research at a younger age. In addition to, institutions will have integrated programs leading to masters and PhD to those who hold bachelor degrees in science and to make possible boundaryless curriculum in science. Implications. ISRO launched a special program for school children from 9th to 10th class called Young Scientist Program, Yuva Vignan Karyakram, in turns with the government's Jai Vignan, Jai Anushasan. This program aimed for future building blocks of our nation. A part of these inspired awards are given to the children, those who have trained innovative ideas towards the science. National Physics Laboratory, Delhi has invented a device that can be generate electricity power using only a few drops of water at room temperature without the help of any external power or chemicals. This is called hydroelectricity cell, which is the green energy groundbreaking revolution in science. If we reverse this process, it is also formed alternative of fuel cell and solar cell. It is done by our young minds with our own laboratory and equipments in India, by which we are capable to attract foreigner to here in our country. With this device, we can produce electricity with the eco-friendly environment with less budget. Desertification is a type of land degradation in dry lands in which biological productivity is lost due to the natural processes or induced by the human activities. Outcomes. I would like to quote few examples of IISC who can be considered as the best outcomes of this institution, such as Homi Bhabha, father of the Indian nuclear program, Vikram Sarabhai, father of Indian space program. Anna Mani, Indian Meteorological Department. Kamala Sohan, nutritious expert. These institutions are not only produced great scientists but also played a key role in established other academic institutions and organizations. Reference: my guide teacher R.D. Nilimavardhini, PGT Zoology, and there is some links are provided. Thank you for your kind attentions towards my seminar. Any questions, please? Thank you.